Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to transform SDR videos into HDR videos using LTX 2.3. To do this, we are going to use a LoRa called IC LoRA HDR, which comes from the same developers who built LTX 2.3. This LoRa will try to recover the details that are usually lost in the shadows and highlights. So, let's get started. The download link for the LoRa is available in the description. Once you open the link in your browser, you will see a page like this. To download the LoRa, you will need a Hugging Face account. If you don't have one, please create an account. If you already have one, just log in. To download the file, click on Files and Versions. This is the file we will be using, LTX 2.3 22B IC LoRA HDR 0.9.safe tensors. Use the download button to get the file, and then place it inside the LoRa's folder of comfyui. Now, let's switch over to comfyui. I have already built a workflow here. It shares some similarities with my other LTX 2.3 workflows, so let's focus only on the major differences. I've removed the audio features from this specific workflow because we will be outputting HDR image sequences instead of video. Let's zoom in here. We are using the IC LoRA Loader Model-Only node from the LTX Video Custom Node Pack to load the IC LoRA HDR. I've set the strength value to 1.0. Next, we have the Load Video node for loading our SDR footages. In this video, you can see there are missing details in the highlight areas, which we will be trying to restore. Regarding the prompt, the LoRa actually works without using any specific words, but I am still using the phrase HDR footage as suggested in the official workflow provided by the LTX team. Just like in my other workflows, we are using the Add Video IC LoRa Guide node to feed the video into the model. To save the HDR images, we'll be using the Coco Saver from the Cocotools custom node pack. You can install this pack using your comfyui manager. Here, we can set the file path. I've currently set it to Sky, so once the generation is finished, a folder named Sky will be created inside the comfyui output folder. The image sequences will be saved directly into that folder. We can also set the file name for the images. It's currently set to comfyui, but let's change that to tree. I'll be using the sequence save mode to save them as an image sequence, and for the file type, I'm choosing EXR, though you can certainly try PNG as well. Now let's run the workflow and see what the results look like. So, it's finished. Here you can see a preview of the result. The entire image sequence has been saved in EXR format inside the comfyui output folder. If we compare this preview with the original video, you can see that parts of the missing clouds have been restored. I also think we've recovered some detail in the shadow areas. Now, let me show you the HDR sequence we generated. Let's open the comfyui output folder. Here's the folder named Sky. Let's open that up. As you can see, there are a lot of frames here. We can view this sequence in DJV, so let's find and open the first frame. Now the image sequence is loaded in the DJV tool. From here, you could also import this sequence into Resolve or any other software with advanced color grading features, but I'll be skipping that part for now. In my opinion, this is a great starting point for transforming SDR videos into HDR. Go ahead and try this LoRa and the workflow for yourself, and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.